corporate acquisitions move into the podcasting industry. This episode of Today in News Tech is made possible with audio articles by ourhometown.com. In this episode, we continue our coverage of podcasting in the local news industry, highlighting a piece by John Sullivan at Nieman Lab on how corporations have been buying outlets across the podcasting space. The article, How Corporate Takeovers Are Fundamentally Changing Podcasting, outlines the acquisition trends, including who is buying what, and how this concentration of ownership affects how podcasting has traditionally been consumed. Here are the big takeaways. On the one hand, the traditional, scrappy, upstart version of podcasting will survive thanks to the open architecture of RSS, a non-proprietary distribution mechanism that cannot be controlled by anyone. But grassroots podcasting now finds itself competing with a professionalized, platform-dominated version of the medium that's hit-driven and slickly produced, with cross-media tie-ins and big budgets. As companies like Spotify, Amazon, NPR, SiriusXM, and iHeartMedia aggressively monetize and market exclusive podcast content on their platforms, they position themselves as the new gatekeepers with the keys to an ever-expanding global audience. At our hometown, we have been developing technologies to aid local news publishers in overcoming entry barriers into podcasting, including audio articles and audio articles playlists. Automatically create a podcast for your readers. Create episodes from selected articles on your website or through an RSS feed. Upload each episode to a Buzzsprout account automatically. Distribute your podcast across all major platforms.
Today in News Tech, the podcast covering innovation in digital journalism. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe on YouTube or any of your favorite podcast apps. We'll see you tomorrow.
At our hometown, we help newspapers build WordPress websites, design native apps, and develop digital subscription models. If you are interested in a free prototype of your publication on WordPress, go to ourhometown.com and click the Contact Us button.